Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a GMC Envoy. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and gather all necessary tools. You will need a socket set, a ratchet, a jack, and jack stands. Always disconnect the negative battery cable before starting any work to prevent electrical hazards. This crucial step ensures your safety throughout the process. With the vehicle safely elevated, you can now access the starter. First, remove the 13mm nut securing the main power cable to the starter solenoid. Next, detach the smaller solenoid wire, typically held by an 8mm nut. Then, locate and remove the two 15mm bolts that mount the starter to the transmission housing. One bolt is often harder to reach, requiring an extension. Now, carefully position the new starter into place, aligning it with the mounting holes. Thread in the two 15mm mounting bolts by hand first to avoid cross-threading, then tighten them securely. Reconnect the main power cable to the starter solenoid with the 13mm nut, ensuring a snug fit. Finally, attach the smaller solenoid wire using the 8mm nut. Once the new starter is installed and all connections are secure, carefully lower your GMC Envoy from the jack stands. Reconnect the negative battery cable, ensuring it is tight. Before starting the engine, double-check that all tools are clear of the engine bay. Then, attempt to start the vehicle to confirm the new starter is functioning correctly. Your Envoy should now crank and start reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.